Okay.
Start talking.
Wait a minute, I don't see your hands. Okay. So today we're cleaning out the vents. This is the ceiling vents on the ACs to get the dirt off of them. They've kind of turned black. This is one of the things you might want to do. And then take your sweeper and go up in the vent and pull whatever dust is in there. Your vents look. Some of my vents are really, really, really bad. On this one here, you can probably see fingerprints. And what I'm using is my cleaner, pine sol disinfectant that I use
Don't use the name on it.
for
Free advertising.
to clean them. So we're going to take the sweeper and clean out the holes and get the dirt out of them. And it makes it easier. This is the next one that's going to be done after I get the little ones done.
Okay, here's the old alarm that was on here. I tried to save you some time, and by just doing it this way, this is the old alarm that I didn't even make. I couldn't even find that brand anymore. We got this on here, and here's what I'm talking about. There's the dates, what they're going to, how good they is. Now this alarm here, it says, where was it? Right here, it says from 18 to 26. So somebody got ripped off because that's 2-year-old alarm, and it better not go bad because some big 8 company is going to have some trouble. So you put this on here. Now wait a minute, which way? I forgot which way I had it. Okay. So you put it up there like that. They say use the other ones. The ones we had up here, they work pretty good. So I'm just going to go in the same hole. Am I in the way? Am I in the way?
No.
Oh, okay, it's not, you know. Okay, we're right there.
Bracket to the ceiling.
Okay, then we're all done. That and coming out, test.
So be sure to check the dates on your sensors and replace them if they need to be. We discovered that all ours were outdated, and even including our carbon dioxide one down here on the floor. We had to replace that one also. So we'll catch you later.